I'm Burt with STAHLS TV, here to teach you today about interactive numbers. A lot of our customers we see have had the same number style for years. And today I'm going to show you a unique way with interactive numbers to design your garments in a new way to separate you apart from your competitors. Interactive numbers come in a variety of fonts with two distinct differences, a left digit and a right digit. The left digit comes to a distinct point on its left side, where the right digit has one on the right. You can combine both of these in multiple variations to decorate your garment for a unique look. Let me show you how that's done on a few jerseys. Now in this soccer jersey we already got a pre-decorated front logo, so we're just going to go ahead and apply two interactive left digits to the back and a name. So we're always going to thread that garment over the press here, pull it up to the collar, make sure that collar just hangs just off the edge so we know we're straight. Going to put our cover sheet over, make sure we preheat, get the moisture, get the wrinkles out, much smoother heating surface. Done with our preheat. So with this name as well, done with your standard pre-space text. Going to line that name up. And after that we're going to take our interactive left digit, and notice the font comes to a point on its left side, making that the interactive left digit. We got two of them here. So we got our numbers lined up there. Make sure we put on our cover sheet again. Don't want that adhesive getting up to the upper platen. Bring down your press for the recommended settings. Open the press, remove the cover sheet. Notice the interactive left numbers are done. Just to finish the name, just like we've done before. Going to peel off that carrier on the pre-space text, and we're done. We decorated a soccer jersey using the interactive left digits. Next set of garments we're going to decorate are a home and away set of hockey jerseys using left and right interactive numbers, as well as right combined with left interactive digits to give a new unique look. Now to start off, because we got this 16 by 20 platen, we're going to do the backs first. And later on, we're going to do the sleeves on both the home and away set. So just like we've been doing, I'm going to thread that on. Make sure we get that on there nice and even. Make sure we preheat that garment. Get all that moisture out. So after we're done with the preheat, we'll remove the cover sheet. We're going to first take our one colored pre-space text last name. Going to line it up on the garment. And then for this jersey, we're going to do a two-color application. Now notice with these digits that we're using here, we're using interactive right digit combined with the interactive left digit to give a unique look. If you notice too, that point kind of comes to the center combining it. So we can get that lined up where we need it. Good to go. We'll put our cover sheet back over the top, make sure that adhesive doesn't come up on our heating element. Going to do our 2-second tack so our numbers don't shrink, and that way our foregrounds line up to it well. Peel off our cover sheet, then we're going to take the foreground layer. Going to line those up as well. And notice too, the interactive right combined with the interactive left, giving that new unique look. Once we got it lined up, going to put our cover sheet back on it again. Bring our press over for the full settings. Remove our cover sheet. The interactive left and right number is done. To finish off the name, we're just going to remove the carrier. Now that we're done decorating the back of our home uniform, we're going to go ahead and decorate the back of our away uniform, and after, we'll show you how to decorate both sleeves. Now we're going to go ahead and decorate the back of our away hockey jersey, and just like the home one, we're going to go ahead and thread over the garment. Make sure those seams are laying off the press. Take our cover sheet over. We're going to preheat the garment, get the moisture out, all the wrinkles, nice smooth surface. cover sheet. Gonna take our pre-spaced text name, line it up on the garment, and then for our numbers on this one, it's gonna be 2 color as well, just like on the home. But this time, we're actually gonna do an interactive left combined with an interactive right. Notice on the home jersey where the point kind of came to the center there, together, they're going away from each other, giving us a new, unique look. Get that lined on the garment where we like it. Put our cover sheet over the top. Do our 2-second tack. Now we're done with the tack, we're going to remove our cover sheet. On this uniform, we're going to go ahead and leave on this carrier because the application's not done. And the reason I put it on here early is so I can get all my lining up perfect. It's easier for me to go ahead and line up that name and number combined so I know where everything's placed. Now we're going to go ahead and grab our foreground digits. So we got our interactive left foreground here. Going to get that lined up in place. After that, we're going to take the interactive right digit and get that lined up on the garment where we want it as well. So we got both lined up. Always place our cover sheet back over. Bring the press around. Do it for the full recommended settings. Remove our cover sheet. Our interactive digits are done. Now that the name's been fully applied, we can go ahead and peel that carrier. And we're done decorating the back of this away uniform. Now let me show you how to do the sleeves. Now beforehand, we've been decorating our garment on a 16 by 20 platen. That's going to be too big for us to go ahead and thread a sleeve over. So what I'm going to grab here is a 6 by 20 size platen, which is going to make it nice and easy for us to go ahead and thread our sleeves on. So we're going to go back to our away jersey here. I'm going to pull over our sleeve. Notice now I can thread it right through. So now we got a smooth heat printing surface on our sleeve. Get that lined up. And just like we've been doing before, still want to preheat this. Make sure we get all that moisture out. Smooth surface as well. And on this sleeve like the back, we're going to do it 2 color. Notice we're going interactive left digit combined with an interactive right digit, just like we did on the back. Get those lined up where we like it. Bring our cover sheet over. Do our 2-second tack on the background layer. Move the cover sheet. Then we're going to grab our foreground interactive left digit, line it up, and then take our interactive right. Once we got those lined up where we like them, go ahead and place the cover sheet back over the top, and we'll heat apply for the full settings. After we lift the press, remove the cover sheet, and now we're done. As we just showed you, we took our interactive numbers to make unique number styles to give you a distinct advantage over your competitors. I'm Burt with STAHLS TV.